Okay, I have my bottom book out of the freezer here, just set aside. Got the spatula underneath it, ready to move it. I've rolled out my black roll fondant. Our bottom book is going to be black, our top book is going to be red. And then what I did is I went ahead and I just cut a straight line with a pizza cutter down here. Then you want to take a little bit of royal icing, place it on your board, lift your cake up, and position it where you would like it. Whoa! Whoa! Don't drop it. I'm going to have it right about there, like so. Okay, so then the next step is this straight line is actually going to be, I'm going to place it right down here. Now in order to do that, I actually have to turn this all the way around like this. So when I lift the fondant up, I can place it so that the straight part goes right down here. So I'm going to lift up the fondant like this, come over here, and place it right over. Okay. So notice I kind of flip this excess fondant back a bit so I can actually cut a little bit off because I don't want it to ruin the pages that my buttercream pages. Okay. I can take a little bit more off. Alright, good. Alright, now here, I want to just go ahead and take this and pop that down in. And then this part over here, lift this up and cut the excess off. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Now we can go ahead and trim a little bit more off. We want it just to overlap the book just slightly by about 1/4 of an inch. Okay, just about like that. And that way it will stay up. Any more than that and it tends to want to flop down. Okay, now I'll turn it. Come around the corner. And down. Okay, and then on this other side here, let me turn it around this way and cut this way. Okay, where that fondant's a little wrinkled, I can just smooth that out. And then I want to cut a little bit more off down here. I just didn't have a good angle on it there. So cut straight down, and then just fix that. Okay, now see where that buttercream is down there? This is where I'll take the smaller spatula right like this and then just get that buttercream out of there. Tuck that fondant in. Alright, now usually the books where the binding is right here, there'll be a little indent right there. So I usually use one of these dowels and place it right on top here and just push in slightly. Like so. And then go back over it, push a little bit more. There you go. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and do the book cover, the part that's around here at the base. So what we need to do is just take a little bit of the black fondant, roll it out into a strip, and then I will show you how to cut it.